I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV, and I'm here in the Sugino booth with Miki Nakagawa, Executive Vice President. Miki, I hear you have some new machines you want to tell us about?
Sure, yeah, thank you very much for the opportunity. So, Sugino has over 80 years history company, so we have a very good, very high precision washing system we bring this time. Yep.
Great. And so, can you tell me about the new Robo machine?
Sure, yeah. So our Robo machine is a super high precision washing machine, pressure up to 35,000 psi, super high pressure deburring system, mainly using for aircraft parts, titanium, aluminum, stainless steel. Every bar we can remove it.
That's great.
Yeah.
And so this is a brand new machine for IMTS 2018?
This is a brand new machine. We have a similar generation machine, but this is brand new for this time.
That's great. And how would this machine differ from some other machines that are out there like it?
So normally a washing machine is not so high precision moving. This machine is like a machine center type high precision accuracy, and also super high pressure water we can shoot it.
Okay. And I hear you have another new machine in the Sugino booth that you want to tell us about?
Oh yeah, we have one robot machine, like a mechanical deburring machine on the robot side. It's a Sugino-owned deburring tools equipped on the robots, and this robot can go through the parts to deburr the computer edge.
And this is a 7-axis machine?
Yeah, this is a 7-axis robot, yeah.
And can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Normally, Sugino is always working for high pressure water jet deburring, but sometimes the bar is so big it cannot take out by high pressure water. In this case, we need like a mechanical deburring approach. Then this robot machines, for a primary approach for deburring. Then after that, using a high pressure water deburring and washing at the same time. Then we can very nice finished parts. You can get it.
And what types of parts are being washed?
Mainly automotive parts, engine block, transmission case, gear housing, braking parts, many parts from automotive and also coming from aircraft industry too.
And are we talking about high volume, low volume?
In both, high volume parts for automotive and low volume parts for like aircraft and hydraulic parts. Yeah, both we can take it.
So Miki, everybody's talking about Industry 4.0 and the Internet of Things. Yep. Can you tell us about Sugino and that?
Yes, our machines are everything we can connect to each other, and we have a software like MT Connect to check the condition of the parts and for maintenance reasons, for cycle time kind of information we can get it for whole machines. Just IMTS, we connect the whole 6 machines and display the dashboard to how to operate, how to running condition we can display.
And is that available for all of your machines now and for all of your customers?
Yes, all Sugino machines, everything we can connect, easy to connect to the software. It's no problem.
Great. And I also believe there's a special guest star in the booth.
I think so.
Elvis is in the building, ladies and gentlemen. This is a breaking news bulletin. I'm here with Elvis. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Elvis is in the building. Elvis, can you tell us why you chose to come back for IMTS 2018?
Yes, this is clear because it is, I think, the greatest show for the new technology, and yes, I like it here, and especially in Chicago.
Well, we just can't believe it, and it's been so long since anybody's seen or heard from you. I have one favor to ask.
What?
Will you sing a song for me?
Of course.
Here you go, the mic's all yours.
We caught in a trap, I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby, yeah. Why can't you see what you're doing to me when you don't believe the word I'm saying? We can't go on together with suspicious minds, and we can fill our dreams on suspicious minds. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you very much. Well, thank you so much, Miki. Please be sure to visit booth 338566. You can learn more information at SuginoCorp.com. I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV. Thank you for watching.